Alright, so we need to make sure we can read all of this. It says, look carefully at the code below. What do you think will happen after you click run? Remember, there will only ever be one honeycomb or one flower behind each cloud. Alright, so the bee will get nectar at each flower and make honey at each honeycomb. The bee will try to get nectar from both flowers and honeycombs. The bee will try to get honey from both flowers and honeycombs. Or D, the bee will try to get honey and nectar from both flowers and honeycombs. So our code down here repeats this 3 times. So it moves forward. If there's a flower, then it gets nectar. If it's not a flower, it makes honey. So essentially what it's saying there is if it's a flower, it makes honey, and if it's not a flower, it's going to be a honeycomb. It's going to make honey. So this first choice here is going to be the correct one. The bee will get nectar at each flower and make honey at each honeycomb, no matter what is underneath there. So if there's a flower here, it's going to get nectar. If there's a honeycomb here, it's going to make honey. If there's a flower here, get nectar. If there's honeycomb, honey. Same thing with the last spot. So no matter what's underneath, it's going to do the appropriate thing with our if-else loop.